happy Monday, everybody. It is November 7th, and change is finally in the air this week. These last 2 to 3 weeks have been warm, real warm, like 60s and 70s warm. It's finally gonna get cold tomorrow. A little chill in the air today, thank goodness. You know, winter's coming, and with that, ski season is coming, which, let's be honest, that's all I really care about. We are currently on the trail to Roaring Brook Falls. This is a big waterfall. I think it's like 300 feet tall, on Giant Mountain. You can just hike to the falls, the lower and the top version, which is exactly what we're doing today. That's just a straight shot. That's incredible. Look at that. It's beautiful. I love coming to Roaring Brook Falls because it's extremely accessible. This was like a 0.1 mile walk off the road, and we actually are going to go up to the very top of that thing after this. That's a little more strenuous, but it's still really not a big deal in comparison to some other hikes out there. But absolutely gorgeous day. I'm glad I came out here and did this. I've been kind of in that funk I talked about in my Azure Mountain video, where I just don't really want to do anything because the weather's nice. I know that sounds silly, but I love cold weather and I love the snow. I am ready for the change. It's November 7th. It's time. So I'm glad I got out here. There's a little chill in the air. Tomorrow is going to be cold, so that's wonderful. But today I'm enjoying this. Beautiful day for it. So just check the clock. It's 3:41. Almost back to the split where we go up to the top. There's a chance we might actually catch the sunset up here if we take our time. We'll just have to see. So there you have it, folks. Roaring Brook Falls, incredible hike. This is really one of the best waterfalls I've seen in the Adirondacks so far. I've been here numerous times, but every time I come here, I'm always shocked at the beauty. I don't know what's next in this Adirondack series. I don't know if we're gonna be skiing. I don't know if we're gonna be hiking. We may be chasing snow. Stay tuned, it's gonna be fun. Winter's coming, I'm excited. I can't wait to share it with y'all. I'll see you in the next one. I'll show you the view one more time. One more time. Look at that. Gorgeous.